freelance websites had actually made so many millionaires out there who work from the comfort of their home. Okay, and freelancing websites provide freelancers opportunities to meet businesses and brands that need their services. So freelance website is just basically a website whereby businesses, buyers, and brands come in to connect with service providers like you and I, who are freelancers that possess several kinds of skill. Okay, so we render services, we agree on a certain price, we render services. The freelance websites serve as a third party who helps us to, secure jobs as well as, provide services to to the business and the brands. And aside getting jobs on freelancing websites, the very important concern for freelancers is all about a payment system or a payment processor that can help them to easily receive their payments and as well as send their payments from one place to another, especially from their freelancing site to their bank account. Okay, and that's what this video is all about. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about teaching you about how to make money online and every other thing that surrounds making money online. And if you've not liked this video, I will indulge you to like it, subscribe to this channel, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you would be among the first to be notified. So it is not just enough for you to be a freelancer or for you to hop into any freelancing site and start rendering services and start getting paid. The most important thing is, after you've done an awesome job and after you've rendered several services to your customers or to the buyers, how do you get your payments? And that's where PayPal comes in. PayPal has been a long time trusted payment processor, which makes it easier for you and I to send and receive money easily. Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at websites that actually pay you for working on their site, and they pay you through PayPal, which is a very easy to use payment processor. Okay, so basically speaking, we are looking at these freelancing sites that pay their freelancers through PayPal. I understand that this video is majorly for those that are in countries supported by PayPal, but if you are in a country that is not supported by PayPal and you know your way around using PayPal, then this video will actually be beneficial to you. But if not, I'm sorry, this video is not for you. Okay, but on the other note, if you're in a country whereby PayPal is not supported, that doesn't mean you cannot make money online. There are so many other PayPal alternatives that you can actually use to get your payment working on freelancing sites. However, maybe in the next video or some other time, I'm going to make other videos talking about freelancing sites that could pay you through alternative payment processors other than PayPal. Okay, so in this video majorly, we are looking at freelancing sites that pay you through PayPal. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's hop right into this website that actually gets you your money easily through the help of PayPal. Okay, so the first one is MUTT. MUTT is actually a freelancing site that hires freelance writers, and the more you write, you get paid. And at the end of the day, the quantity of write-offs that a brand or a business or an individual buys from you will determine how much you earn. Okay, that's one. The next one is ClickWorker. ClickWorker is actually a crowd sourcing site whereby you get jobs done, something like reviews and all that, and you get paid. Okay. The next site, a freelancing site that pay you through PayPal, is TEXTBROKER. TEXTBROKER contracts freelance writers to write, content and so many other things that their buyers or business or brand would want. Okay, and the pay rate is based on the quality of work, your experience, and how long you've been on the platform. All right. The next one is GOTRANSCRIPT. GOTRANSCRIPT hires, transcriptionists and people that transcribe documents. And the more you work, depend on how much time you put in. That's going to determine how much you earn. But this site, GOTRANSCRIPT, actually pays you through PayPal, and the payment is seamless and hassle-free. Then the next one is rev.com. It's another freelancing site that pays you through PayPal. And rev.com is another site that actually hires transcriptionists who translate and, let's say captionists who provide captions for content and all that. Okay, it's actually another wonderful website that pays you through PayPal. The next one is SCRIBIE. SCRIBIE is just like every other freelancing website, whereby you create content as many as possible. The more you create, the more money you make, provided that you render good services to the buyers or to the business or to the brand that needs your services. The next one is Userlytics and user testing. These two freelancing websites are very much similar. They hire testers like you and I, who doesn't have any connection, affiliation with the brand, to test their website or their mobile apps. Okay, so there is lots and lots of opportunities in these two web application or mobile application testing websites. Okay, then the next sites where you can actually get paid through PayPal, these ones are very popular. I didn't just want to make them the first two because I know almost everybody out there in the internet space know these two websites, and that's Fiverr and Upwork. Fiverr and Upwork is a freelancing site that has so many services and opportunities for a freelancer to come in, sample their skills and get loads and loads of buyers, businesses, and customers who are willing to hire their services and pay them actually depending on the agreed price. Okay, and what freelancing websites do is, once you come in as a freelancer and you're able to land a job, it's only when the job is successfully done, that's when they take their own percentage. So you have nothing to pay up front. It's until you've done a job successfully and you get paid, that's when they take a very small percentage of what you've earned. Okay, so PayPal is just one of those few digital payment platforms out there that you can actually send and receive money easily, and they've proven to be trustworthy over time. Okay, so but aside PayPal, like I mentioned earlier, there are so many other alternatives. So don't be demoralized if you're in a country where PayPal is not supported. There are so many other opportunities or payment processors which you can actually use to make money online. Okay, so if you've been asking questions or if you've been troubled about websites where you can actually earn easily and get paid through PayPal, you've seen them or you've heard about them right in this video. So it's now your time to go out there, sign up, and start making as much money as possible. And trust me, these sites are actually trustworthy, and you get your payment complete into your PayPal account once you render good services. So having been with me in this video up to this moment, I would suggest you like this video, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.